So yes, students, today we'll discuss about DOS commands. Previous class, previous lecture or video, we have discussed some internal commands, and today we'll discuss about copy command and move command also. So CLS clear the screen. I already opened the DOS command. Uh, just write a copy command. So present time we are here. Uh, and just minimize and just this one is minimize. Now present time we are here. You can see C users Abdul Rab and I'm here and this one also here. So just equal parts we will divide this screen and this part also will divide in a screen. Now okay. So you can see I'm here C user Abdullah and this is our Windows and this is a graphical user command user interface. So you can say it is a command user interface CUI and it is a GUI. Windows is GUI and command it is a command user interface. It is a graphical user interface and it is a single user operating system. It is a multi-user operating system. तो हम डिस्कस करते हैं कॉपी एंड मूव का कुछ नोट्स भी आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड नोट्स तो आई ओपन द नोट्स I think in D or D drive in a desktop I have saved all notes and C post 30 not just 309 and cross 6. In this week, I will share the notes also, and I will give the assignment, two assignments, assignment 1 and assignment 2, and give the last date of 30 September. So it is a big time, long time. You can write assignment in your handwriting, not a soft copy. So I will mention everything in Google Classroom. So what is the instruction I will tell you, and you have to write assignments. So internal command we have discussed and cdmd some command has not run. I think copy and move. Del command we have discussed. Ren command is also rename the file. Suppose informatics I have created a file. So ren command you change the name of any file and directory. फाइल का नेम अगर चेंज करना तो जस्ट इन विंडो यू कैन राइट क्लिक एंड जस्ट रीनेम द फाइल and in a DOS you can change you can rename the file with the help of ren command. Ren command I think we have not discussed. So ren commands you can see div means display all directory and files. So you can see in Abdulrab folder in Abdulrab directory you can see one file and 70 directories is here and one file is informatics.txt. So you can also change the text directory name or file name. You can change a directory name and file name. So it is our file name informatics.txt is our file name and this is our directory name document desktop. Suppose informatics.txt you have to change informatic s you want to remove. So easily with the help of ren, so write ren and just in a double quotes just write a not need to double quotes ren and just write a old file name. So your file name is informatics. Also give the extension. It is compulsory. It is mandatory. So you have to write extension txt space new file name. So in new file name you want to change informatic only. As suppose you want to remove and .txt. You can see no error get. तो कुछ एरर नहीं पाया डायरेक्ट नहीं पाते हैं तो इट मीन्स के योर प्रोग्राम हैज रन योर कमांड हैज सक्सेसफुली executed and you can see also dir command and you can see here informatic is here s is has been removed. So old file is replaced by a new file जो replace sorry new file is replaced by old file replace okay new file बन गई informatic.txt. So it is a ren command also and ren after ren command now clear screen general purpose command cls. Now just clear the screen and after that now copy command. So copy command just here. So copy command suppose informatic is here and this present time you are here so you don't need to give the full path. Informatic is also here, but destination you must write a full path. So source file you don't need to. You are present time you are here, so you don't need to here. Suppose you, I think I have already discussed. I don't waste my time. I just previous video I will discuss ki if you are here, so you don't need, and if you are anywhere, so you have to do either source file full path देना है source file का, and destination का it must गिव द फुल पाथ, जरूर देना है डेस्टिनेशन का। सोर्स का आप वहीं पे है तो डोंट नीड टू गिव द फुल पाथ। So suppose informatics and inside Abdullah and my cursor is building here. I am already inside here. So our source file is informatics. So we are here. So don't need to give the full path here. But in a destination, suppose this informatic I have to copy in a suppose download. You can see many files download. So just give me simple file my document. So I want to copy in here informatics file. I want to copy from Abdullah folders to in my documents to my documents. So here you can see informatic text file is not here, but we have to copy with the help of DOS1. So in a Windows you can easily just you can right click and just copy just graphically every button है ना in a graphical way. Graphical it is represented in graphical, sub button is there, you can easily with the help of button and mouse you can easily copy. It is a window, so that's why we call it is a graphical user interface. But in a window how we will copy? So just copy command is here, so just write copy and just copy के लिए just help. If you don't need the copy, so cop help, you can write help and copy, and you can see copy many abd it means the source. Before just AD, no, it is a if you write a source, so before after source you can also write a some specific some sources. Suppose a slash a means it specifies the file or files to be copied. Files copy होती है for a के लिए files, and if you है ना, so automatically by default it will copy files later, so don't need to write a D means indicates an ASCII text file. अगर if you want to copy text file, so you can write a to write if you want to write y, so y suppresses prompting to confirm. So अपने आप you can read and just you can apply. So firstly I have to copy, so just write copy space and just informatic. So just write informatic and dot extension. You must write extension, otherwise your file will not copy. To dot txt my informatic is text file. So it is a source file and destination. Where do you want to paste the file? So you want to paste the file, suppose in a desktop. Not sorry, desktop documents, my document. So you have to give the full path. So full path, how will you get the how will you copy the full path? So usually just a one click, so you can see users Abdullah documents here. It means it is a full path. So just copy, so right click and copy, and destination just give the full path. So just click here and just write in a double quotes. In a double quotes you have to write a destination. So control V paste, so right click and paste here and double quote close. So after double quote close and just copy this informatic.txt in from Abdullah folder to a document folder. So just press enter. So just one file is copied, and you can see informatic is showing here. Now your file is copied in two places. वहाँ भी है और यहाँ पे भी है. So it is a simple copy command. And now suppose you want to move, means move करना है this file को. Simply just instead of copy you will write move. So it will not duplicate a copy. It will your original file will be moved from one places to another places. So copy and move. Suppose you want to copy this new song is here, and in new songs many folders, many directories. New song is a directory and many subdirectories and file inside here. There you can see there is a one single files. But suppose any directories and all files in keep in a single directory, and you have to copy all these things every inside a what inside जितने भी copy जितने भी आपके फोल्डर हैं और जितने भी फाइल्स हैं उसको कॉपी करना है। तो सपोज ये न्यू सॉन्ग्स को सपोज आई वांट टू कॉपी इन माय डॉक्यूमेंट्स हियर, माय डॉक्यूमेंट्स हियर, यहाँ पे कॉपी करना है न्यू सॉन्ग्स को। तो इजीली न्यू सॉन्ग्स को जस्ट क्लिक करते हैं एंड कंटिन्यू लेफ्ट क्लिक ड्रैग एंड जस्ट इजीली जस्ट यू कैन हियर माय डॉक्यूमेंट पेस्ट इजीली इट विल बी मूव इजीली, है ना। इट इज ए कंसेप्ट ऑफ मूव, मतलब आप कट करना है पेस्ट करना है, तो इस तरह भी एक शॉर्टकट की है, शायद एवरीबडी नो। तो मुझे इन्हें विद द हेल्प ऑफ डॉस आई हैव टू कॉपी, नॉट ए मूव, नो आई हैव टू कॉपी न्यू सॉन्ग्स। सो न्यू सॉन्ग्स की कॉपी के लिए जस्ट सेम अगेन यू विल राइट कॉपी एंड after copy just write new songs. So source file you don't need to give the full path, and new underscore song and space and give the destination. So destination already suppose this new song, so you have to destination my documents, and here just I have already I think copy this destination C users, so I want to copy here new song. So just go to here and just double quotes open and just paste the destination is here and double quotes close. Now after double quotes close, just press enter button. So you can see a new songs ab.dxc, and this only just file has been file यहाँ पे आया है ab and abc, folder आपका मूव नहीं है, folder had not moved अभी हुआ, ठीक है। तो only this file will be moved with the help of copy, all things have not moved. I think you can see in a new songs I have, so this new songs will be moved, this new song will be moved. New songs के अंदर all the content you have to move Hollywood, Bollywood, but only the you can see my document only the AB and ABC has been copied. So how will you move all files and directories inside a जो आपके folders में है? So one concept is yes overwrite, you can see AB dot documents says yes all, yes no and all, है ना। तो just you can throw all, if you type all and press enter, so new songs again all files, same duplicate files already is there, so it was duplicate I think, so that's why, but all मेरी डायरेक्टली नहीं हुई, तो just okay, don't worry, just ABC and shift ABC just delete, shift delete and press enter. Now this file has been deleted, and now so just Xcopy is faster than, and some features is there compared to copy, some extra feature is there in Xcopy. So just you can see uh, help, you don't know Xcopy, so help Xcopy, you can see Xcopy many switches are there, it is a switches same as directory में many switches are there, with wise, page wise, w/w/p you have used, है ना। so it is switch, so you can use a switch with the help of switches. Suppose you want to know a means what is a copies only files with the archive attribute set, ठीक है। so ये दिख रहा है आपको a, and you can see ahp प्रमोट्स कर रहा है कॉपीज फाइल्स चेंजिंग और आफ्टर, एक्सक्लूड फाइल, फाइल 1 फाइल 2 सब दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ। यू कैन सी एच कॉपीज हिडन भी यू कैन आल्सो, आई इफ डेस्टिनेशन डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट एंड कॉपिंग मोर देन 1 फाइल, तो ये सारे आप यूज कर सकते हो, आप चाहो तो पूरा यूज कर सकते हो। तो इसमें मैंने एक नेट पे सर्च किया था अभी, आई हैव सर्च ऑन इंटरनेट, सो यहाँ पे मैंने देखा था, तो यहाँ पे आप देख लेते हैं। यहाँ पे आपको दिखा होगा यही चीज जो लिखा है, इसने जो कॉपी किया है EH कॉपी सब डायरेक्टरीज इंक्लूड एनी empty1, सब डायरेक्टरीज को भी ये कॉपी करता है। वहाँ पे हमारी सब डायरेक्टरीज की कुछ फाइल को, मगर कॉपी सब डायरेक्टरीज कॉपी फाइल्स विद हिडन फाइल्स को भी कॉपी करता है। कंटिन्यू कॉपिंग इवन इफ एरर ऑफर्स, जब तक एरर नहीं आता कंटिन्यू कॉपिंग करता रहता है। सो सी यू कैन यूज if in doubts always assume the destination is a folder, example when the destination does not exist, so assume the destination को भी folder में assume करता है अगर destination does not exist। so ये सारे हैं Xcopy will not copy open file, Xcopy doesn't display any, so Xcopy is a faster than, and subdirectories you can also copy with the help of Xcopy command। एक तो faster है, उसके अलावा some features extra features है जो कॉपी में नहीं है, जैसे कि EHCI सम स्विचेस आर देयर जो वहाँ आपके नहीं है कॉपी में, तो मैं ESCI की हेल्प से सब फोल्डर ओनली ई से भी वी कैन सब डायरेक्टरीज इंक्लूड एनी पेटी फाइल कॉपी हिडन फाइल्स और कंटिन्यू कॉपिंग भी करना है मुझे तो सी भी वी कैन यूज एन आई भी कर सकते हो, तो ESCI की हेल्प से वी कैन कॉपी। सो ESCI भी है और मैंने आपको दिखाया है, यू कैन सी ई भी है यहाँ पे, यू कैन सी ई वही चीज लिखा है जो आपके डायरेक्टरी डॉस में है, कॉपिंग डायरेक्टरीज एंड सब डायरेक्टरीज एक्सेप्ट एंड पेटी वंस, so you can use E, or and H you can also see a H means copies hidden and system file also. So ESCI just I use uh, here, so copy करना है मुझे, what copy करना है, so just see now I have to copy this informatics no sorry informatics name song, so X copy, just write X copy, so X copy and new songs underscore song and all directly and सब directories new song के अंदर जो भी होगा whatever it will be copy, so new songs here and paste space one, give the one space and just paste I think I already copy I already destination copy, so just paste here and documents में just double quotes. Now after that we have to apply switches, so what is the switches? ESCI I think ASCI, you can see ये दिख रहा है आपको दिस वन, तो H है E है कॉपी डायरेक्टरी एंड सब, E है H है, you can use switches, so you can use a switches before a destination and after source. After source just give a one space and just write a destination, so just you can write switches forward slash E caps lock E forward slash H forward slash H and forward slash C and forward slash I, and space is also here. So after here just you can press enter, so two files copy and I think my documents, you can see my documents, two files and copy, and you can see all subdirectories, my folder is there inside the documents, you can see this is copied. So this is the concept of X copy, and all remaining commands we will discuss here in notes. So run command we are discussed, and copy command and MD CD we already discussed. RD path means set a path. If you set a path, so with the help of set path you can compile or run the C program also. So because you have studied about C language, any programming language, so we have to set the path. So with the help of set path, you can go directly to it your library file, and their library files with the help of those commands you can compile and run the C program. You can compile and run the Python program. So you have to set the path. So आपको समझ नहीं आएगा दिस टाइम, बस ये समझ लीजिए पाथ यूज फॉर कंपाइल एंड रन द program. Now after that external commands, more means nothing. Suppose you want to display the content of file. More command is also a same like type command, and more command, what is the more command? Using this command we can pause the and display after each 25 times. Now just let's see the example. Any big file, suppose this is our big file, and this file suppose कहाँ पे है आपका inside a you can see inside a desktop, so you can go to here C309 in a desktop all nodes में है, तो all nodes में जाके see not a desktop, here you can see desktop, and desktop में just you can see all nodes here, and here आपका CSIT309 and CSIT309 में आपका just this one है CSIT309. I think not CSI, DOS is here. So you can go directly, just copy the path, Control C, and just you can also change the directory. Present time you are in SSID and you want to go directly in all nodes in CSIT309, that is in a desktop, that is stored in a desktop. So don't worry, just CD space and just you have to write it Firstly, I want to go to clear screen, CLS, just clear the screen, and after that just we write CD and space and just give the destination कि कहाँ पे आपको जाना है. So paste here, so you can see you want to go inside CSIT 309 and press enter. So you can see your present time is here, CSIT 309. If you don't trust, so you can see MD hi, and you can right side you can see hi will be appear. Hi, this will appear. Okay. So shift delete. We don't trust again, so you can see hello. Hello is not here, and you can see hello. MD hello. Now hello will be show you. Okay. So means you are here and shift and just delete shift delete button and press enter. Permanently deleted my file. Now after that here you want to open a DOS. So DOS you can see all directory and files. You can see here dir and dir all command display all directory and files. And dir command type is more is also है, but you have to write in this more button. ठीक है, pipes line जो pipe button होगा you have to write and just write a more. तो जैसे यहाँ पे dir is लगा है, but dir के आगे just you have to write pipe button and more, so it will display 25 times. Now just see what happened. Suppose you want to see all files and directories here. So here all files. So you can see DOS. DOS is a word file. So type command say you can see type command you can see the content of file type and just write a DOS. Is not a cancel, so I am writing in small letter and .px not sorry .docx is your it is the extension and press enter. So I got some error actually not read my document files. Document files is not read, but if you have text file and more than 25 lines, so with the help of more you can also read text file. I think suppose this one DOS, and don't worry, just control A and control C. I have copy and just close this one. No, do you want to show close this one, and after that closing you have to text file. So just here just write a notepad, open a notepad here, new and notepad, I think notepad, yeah, text documents here and just write a more. Just you have to check more commands, so just again then I'm more and here more and just I have copy all material, so I just paste here. I think it has paste here or not. No, copy I have not copy, so again go to here and select all, control A and just select a control A and just write a copy, control C, or otherwise copies here, so I have copy and just minimize and just go to more text file and just paste. So you have just no, yes, all things I copy. It is not a correct formatted, so okay, but it is more than 25 lines. And now save the file. So control S, I press control S, save the file and just close here. Now more file is text file. Now after that just we will see type command also just display the content of file, type space and just we write a file name more.txt. So you can see directly just all files created. You can scroll down. This is the our content. बस देख सकते हैं more than 25 लाइन है, but directly it goes the last line. स्टार्टिंग लाइन क्या हो गया, वो बड़ी तेजी से मूव हो गया. नाउ आई हैव रिटन, आई थिंक वेयर इज माय कॉपी. आई थिंक आई डोंट नो ना, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट स्वेयर. तो कैसे क्या होगा दिस वर्ड कॉपी मैंने आई थिंक वॉल्यूम, हाँ आई हैव रिटन हियर समथिंग. ऊपर के सम कमांड से स्विच हो गया, नहीं दिख रहा है. ठीक है, डील स्विचेस ऊपर के समथिंग स्क्रॉल डाउन ऑफ कर रहा हूँ तो नहीं दिख रहा है. ओके, तो इसके लिए हमने मोर कमांड होता है. सो and just we write a type command, type and space and just write a file name. Suppose my file name is more and here pipelines. So pipelines, so here pipelines मैंने दिया, shift दबा के enter के ऊपर होता है and pipelines and just write a more and type है my file name is more. Actually my file name is more and just give the extension more.txt. So more.txt and more, and here just press enter. I think more is not supporting. Quick page wise or with wise. I think 25 line it is displaying, and just more है. So press enter. Just you can see the definition here. So what is the more command? You can see here what is the definition. Yeah. So more command is here. You can see type 25 है will to scroll up. To overcome through this problem, we use more command. और हमने लिखा भी है, जस्ट टाइप किया फाइल नेम एंड स्लैश मोर और dir और स्लैश मोर करके यू कैन सी. अब 25 टाइम्स के बाद मैं डिस्प्ले कर सकता हूँ यार एंड जस्ट प्रेस एंटर एंड लिस्ट ऑल फाइल डायरेक्टरी एंड सब डायरेक्टरीज. एंटर किया एच डिस्प्ले डायरेक्टरीज एंड फाइंड वन लाइन दिख रहा है. फीचर्स ये अभी डिफिनेशन चल रही है, मेरा दिख रहा है वर्जन का विंडोज. इट इज आवर मैटर. तो प्रेस एंटर कर रहा हूँ एंड इट इज डिस्प्लेइंग 25 टाइम्स बाद ब्रेक हो रहा है, वन लाइन दिख रहा है. यू कैन सी आई एम प्रेसिंग एंटर बटन और वो हो रहा है, धीरे धीरे दिख रहा है. सो इजीली वी कैन रीड. जस्ट कॉपी है ना, इट इज आवर कंटेंट. ये कंटेंट का डॉस का ही कंटेंट है. तो डॉस का कंटेंट है ना 30 cd रिपोर्ट just cd dot remove directory. this command is used. It is our matter कि मेरा नोट्स है, मैंने उसको टेक्स्ट फाइल है, क्रिएटेड टेक्स्ट फाइल. सो मैं प्रेस एंटर कंटिन्यू है ना, जल्दी से प्रेस करके जल्दी से मैं हटा दे रहा हूँ ना. प्रेस 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 मैं कंटिन्यू एंटर बटन दबा रहा हूँ ना. फिनिश. if enter y it will be erase all the. I think it is our last matter. either it will leave the just scroll here, leave the file. You can see here last pages क्या है. Yes, leave the file. So it is last matter. So this is the concept of more command in external file, and same as a more and mem is also just mem. Just you will type and just you can display the amount of memory. You will self study इसको. And after mem sister is also a bootable disk. Just sys and drive name, so it will display the system file to any disk. सिस्टम की फाइल बताता है और कुछ नहीं, बस सिंपल है. जस्ट रीड एंड जस्ट टाइप एंड सिस एंड जस्ट सी डी ड्राइव, कोई भी ड्राइव आप कर सकते हो. एक्स कॉपी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस एंड आफ्टर दैट मूव कमांड इज आल्सो डिस्कस. मूव सिमिलर टू ए कॉपी कमांड, आप चेक कर लीजिएगा. एंड स्टार्स मीन्स ऑल फाइल्स जो भी mp3 को भी that will be moved in a old songs folder inside a old short folder. Star is here. It means के just all जैसे है ना रोहित ऋतिक रोशन शाहरुख खान .mp3 इस तरह की कुछ भी फाइल्स होगी. स्टार मीन्स एनी फाइल्स and mp3, but it will be mp3. Suppose my file name is mp3, so all mp3 files we have to it will move from here. जो भी जहाँ पे डायरेक्टली आप होगी प्रेजेंट टाइम कर्सर विल बी लिंक हियर, वहाँ से आपका इट विल बी मूव फ्रॉम ओल्ड सॉन्ग. so it's the concept of move also. And fc file comparison, nothing. File comparison, you have to create a two file. You will create with the help of copycon and you will comparison. fc just give the two file name in a double quotes. Just you will write double quotes or single quotes. Just you will check if without double quotes it will not run, so you can apply double quotes in every file name, so it will run. So file comparison is also command fc check this. Check this the how many status, how many disks. Check this disk status ki how many disks are free and how many are not free. So it will just display the storage कि कितने स्टोरेज आपके फ्री हैं मेमोरी में चेक डिस्क में एंड कितने फ्री अवेलेबल है. सो वॉल्यूम, सीरियल नंबर, स्पेसिंग, हाउ मेनी स्पेसिस देयर है ना, कितने एलोकेट हुए हैं, कितने नॉन एलोकेट हुए हैं, अवेलेबल कितने हैं. सो इट विल डिस्प्ले एवरीथिंग. शॉर्ट कमांड इज वेरी यूजफुल कमांड. सो शॉर्ट मैंने दिखा है. सो शॉर्ट कमांड्स में सपोज you have created any file name, team you created file of team and after that you have to sort. sort means which है the list cricket player team का आपने कोई बनाया and you have to sort list of players. means alphabetically order में you want to display. So sort say with the help of sort file you can easily sort as of alphabet word go. So let's see the example. Suppose I am here CSIT 309 and go to previous, so CD. I want to go in a Abdul Rab, so CD slash. If you write CD slash, so you will directly go to the C drive. Directly you will go to the root drive. But C is present time C is a root, so you can directly go to the C. But I have to step one step back, so CD dot dot and press enter. So you can see, CSIT 309 say just you came out, and after the CD dot dot, one step back, one step back. Present time you are inside Abdul Rab now. Just to minimize FC. So you are here means we are present time में है C and users and Abdul Rab. Now present time you are here. So okay, here and the CLS and now D you can see yes I am here. All right, this is file here. Now after that just create two files. Suppose one is informatic I already we have created, and second is program file name. Copy on space my file name is program dot txt and press enter. Hi friends, this is my content. Hi friend. Okay, this is my content. Hi friend is my content, and Control Z for copy the file and exit. So just just save the file and exit. So press Control Z and press enter. So one file is copied, its program name, and just you have to compare these two files. So FC file comparison. FC is external command FC, and just write it informatics informatic.txt, press enter and just write a program program.txt, press enter. So you can see two files is displays. You can see here after star program.txt here, and two files will be displayed, and you can compare which file content is big, which file content is small. So you can also compare. File comparison is the content. So this is the concept of file comparison. So similarly, just you can sort is here. Sort is very important. So suppose sort here. So we have to create any file. Again, team player. I want to create a team player file. So file of team player के लिए just write a notepad here and इसको minimize कर देता हूँ. Now here suppose team player. So just copy कौन again create a file, copy space कौन space team एक बनानी है Indian team .txt, and team में मैंने anything कुछ भी लिख दिया team में, जैसे कि my name is Abdul Rab and enter है ना, और कुछ भी स्टूडेंट्स का होगा रितेश and Ina and Sakshi, Aryan and Hemant and Junaid and Ashutosh. स्पेस हो गया, डोंट वरी. आशुतोष, राम भरोसे and देवी सिंह and एम प्रसाद, Urfi, Fatima and Gautam Ghosh. Now it is our team, suppose, and not in alphabetical order. Control Z for save the file. Press enter. Now team is created. You can see double click. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा स्पेस आ गया, मैं स्पेस हटा के जस्ट फाइल गया एंड सेव. Now edit हो गया मेरा. So here after that, अभी आप just you will type type and file name. Type and my file name is team. So you can see type and team. You can see I have not written extension. Okay, so just write a uh, type and team dot txt. You can see not alphabet. A है फिर R है H है. It is not a alphabetical array. So sort means just you can display in alphabetical order. Your content is same. Your content will not change. But you have it is a trick. If suppose you want to display in alphabetical order, means sequence. Mein. So you can use a sort. So sort and just you can write sort and just write a file name team dot txt and you can see A firstly A will be displayed with D G with H with R S U V Z. So it is alphabetical order display. But content you can see the content. Your content is not in alphabetical order. Content is not alphabetical order. But suppose आपको दिखाना है alphabetical में. Suppose you want to represent a list या print out the alphabetical order. So with the help of sort command, you can print out or you can display. So this is the concept of sort command. So basically DOS command I have finished and I will upload the all things everything. Just you will आप देख लीजिएगा. एक्टिव से आपका जस्ट हाइड होता है. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सम प्लस मीन्स अप्लाई एंड माइनस मीन्स रिमूव. प्लस मीन्स अप्लाई करना एंड माइनस मीन्स जो अप्लाई किया उसको हटाना. मतलब एच मीन्स सेलेक्ट एंड माइनस मीन्स डिसलेक्ट. सेलेक्ट मीन्स अप्लाई करना. डिसलेक्ट मतलब कि उसको हटाना हो सेलेक्ट जो किया हुआ. So plus minus both में है. So active is very important command. Suppose आपका now active is here and suppose team is showing, program is showing. Suppose you want to hide. You can easily hide. Right click and just properties and you can see hide is there. So you can read only mode, hidden, everything is here. You can graphical team properties box dialog box is appearing on the screen. So you can easily manage with the help of this graphical user interface. But in a command line interface, how will you hide? So one active command is also external command. So active here and just write plus hide करना. So I write plus h. I want to hide and किसको करना चाहता हूँ team dot team को hide करना चाहता हूँ. press enter किया. So not found because team and as we must give the extension of any file name. So just retrieve and just write plus h for apply a hidden file and just write team dot txt. Now press enter. You can see team it is hidden. Now it is not showing. You can see here. You also know the team and you can see a dir command. So dir, if you write dir command, so you can see two files is here, informatic and program. Another file is hidden file is not showing. I think it is gone in this dot files में होगा कहीं. I don't know. हिडन हो गया. बट अगर यहाँ पे से आपको दिखना है हिडन फाइल्स कितने पे है क्या है. सो जस्ट प्रॉपर्टीज यहाँ पे कुछ सेटिंग से आपको यू कैन सी हिडन फाइल्स आल्सो. So I don't know, but hidden is very. But you have to learn the file name. If you have forget the file name, so you can't see. So dir commands also you can hidden file you can also display how with the help of dir command. So if you don't know, so help is write and dir and just write a hidden files. कहीं पे definition होगी switches is there. So with the help of switches you can see the hidden files. ठीक है वो अपने से आप self study कर दिया. I have given the way. आपको मैंने रास्ता दिखा दिया है. ठीक है वे दिखा दिया. आप यू हैव टू सेल्फ स्टडी. आप जितना आगे जा सकते हो. ठीक है डॉस से आप फॉर्मेट करना एंड क्रैक द सॉफ्टवेयर उसको करना या पासवर्ड हैक करना. सो इजीली डॉस के थ्रू यू कैन इजीली जब यू स्टार्ट द सिस्टम तो वहाँ पे आप जाओगे वहाँ पे डॉस प्रॉम्प्ट रहता है. तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ डॉस प्रॉम्प्ट आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. तो ये आपके ऊपर की कितना आप आगे जाते हो. मैंने बता दिया डॉस बहुत ही ज़्यादा है बहुत ही वास्ट में है. ब्रीफ में आप पढ़ोगे तो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो डॉस में. तो आपको सेल्फ स्टडी करना है. तो मुझे हिडन फाइल अगर हटाना है तो जस्ट यू कैन राइट एट्रीव एंड जस्ट minus h for unselected and just team. My file name is team.txt and you can see press apply. So team is showing here. You can see. So this is the concept of DOS. I think I have finished. One wild card I will give the assignment and I will also share the notes here. तो वाइल्ड कार्ड के लिए कुछ एग्जांपल दे सकता हूँ आपको. जैसे वाइल्ड कार्ड डोंट वरी. वाइल्ड कार्ड इज वेरी सिंपल. सपोज दिस वन कॉपी द सेम एज थिंग बस यू हैव टू स्टार मीन्स ऑल थिंग्स मतलब सभी कुछ सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो. .mp3 की जितनी भी फाइल्स का नेम होगा वो mp3 की वो क्या होगा दैट विल बी यू आर कॉपिंग इन अ सॉन्ग्स. यू विल कॉपी द सॉन्ग्स फाइल एंड ना स्टार मीन्स .txt की जितनी फाइल होगी वो जाएगी .msc में चेंज करना रीनेम करना चाहते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल आप डॉक्यूमेंट्स अभी देखो, जैसे रन कमांड है, स्टार मीन्स ऑल फाइल्स का नेम कुछ भी हो सकता है, आई डोंट नो, बट उसका जितने भी टेक्स्ट फाइल हो, स्टार मीन्स की ऑल द टेक्स्ट फाइल विल बी रीनेम बाई डॉट msg। ठीक है, स्टार मतलब ऑल, और क्वेश्चन मार्क्स मतलब की होता है कि मतलब क्वेश्चन मार्क्स से होता है कि कितने वर्ड के होंगे, जैसे कि क्वेश्चन मार्क इज हियर और नॉट, question mark wild card, just question mark. The wild card means suppose you want to list of all the files and directory which have primary file name made of 4, पहली फाइल 4 की होगी एंड सेकंड एक्सटेंशन विल बी .3 होगी, 3 नाम की, तो इस क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाओगे, तो 4 नेम 4 वर्ड 4 कैरेक्टर की कोई भी फाइल नेम हो वो डॉट एक्सटेंशन की 3 फाइल 3 नेम, जैसे डॉट mp3 3 हुआ कि नहीं डॉट के बाद, या इज डॉट, तो उतने की फाइल डिस्प्ले हो तो वो डिस्प्ले होगा, जैसे डिर। तो डिर के आप यू कैन सी डिर कमांड, तो यहाँ पे देखो बहुत सारे करके, अब मैं चाहता हूँ ओनली बस 1 2 3 4 5 5 करेक्टर की जो भी नेम हो, दैट पार्ट्स विल बी डिस्प्ले, फाइल फाइल या डायरेक्टरी वो मैं उतना दिखना चाहता हूँ फाइल्स, तो मैंने लिखा डिर एंड मैं चाहता हूँ 5 फाइल्स बस दिखे, 5 नेम की फाइल, तो मैंने क्वेश्चन मार्क लिया, just write a question mark 1 2 3 4 5, only just file directory, not a, and only I want to display in only the directory, not a file, so I am not giving the extension, press enter, so you can see 5 related links and music is displaying। अब मैं चाहता हूँ फाइल रिलेटेड कुछ के लिए, तो मेरे पास 3 फाइल है txt की, और एक टीम की है, और एक जस्ट यू कैन सी द फाइल शेयर, एक इन्फॉर्मेटिक की है। अब मैं चाहता हूँ कि जितनी भी फाइल हो वो फाइल नेम कुछ भी हो, तो मैंने कहा स्टार डॉट और उसका एक्सटेंशन हो txt, जितने भी मेरी टेक्स्ट फाइल है उसके फाइल नेम 5 करेक्टर हो 10 करेक्टर हो, इट इज डजंट मैटर, बट द एक्सटेंशन विल बी डॉट txt, ओनली द टेक्स्ट फाइल विल बी डिस्प्ले, so press enter, you can see 3 files is displaying। If suppose if I write till and just write question mark, only just 3 sorry 3 nahi 4 character name will be displayed, primary 4 name, so question mark, if suppose I add question mark here only just 4 name and extension will be .txt, so only just 4 name के लिए just only 1 file is showing टीम, बाकी और तो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स से 4 से ज्यादा हो गए तो नहीं डिस्प्ले हो रहा है, तो दिस इज द वाइल्ड कार्ड कंसेप्ट। तो आपको ये वाइल्ड कार्ड मैंने एक आइडिया दे दिया, ब्रीफली आई हैव नॉट डिस्कस, सो यू हैव टू सेल्फ स्टडी एंड डोंट वरी, आई विल शेयर दिस नोट्स, एंड आई नो के सम स्टूडेंट हैव टेकन स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस वर्ड फाइल, तो जो अच्छे होंगे, जो क्लेवर बच्चे होंगे, जो शार्प माइंड होंगे, वो आई थिंक स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिए होंगे काफी चीजों का। So don't worry, but I will share this notes on Google Classroom. Notes one, those parts I will share, and today if I will be free, so I will post over here tomorrow. And this video I will also upload in my YouTube channel, and I will give the 2 assignments. So thank you class. Firstly, I will just stop the recording video. Now it will be more length and more sizes, so it will be taking more data for uploading a video. So firstly, I am going to stop the video recording. Stop करना है मुझे. So just wait, my where is recording, I think here, so thank you class, okay, and please like and subscribe my channel and stop recording।